Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel because she has.
One of my husband's favorite dish is Shanghainese braised pork belly, and I want to bring the delicious braised eggs for my friend's birthday. It's a perfect combination to cook them together. Boil the eggs in salt water for 5 minutes on medium heat, then let it sit for 20 minutes with the lid on. Then soak the eggs in cold water and it will help to remove the shell easily. The pork will taste better if you can soak it in salt water for 1 hour, then squeeze out the excess blood. Sauté the pork belly until it's golden in color. It takes about 5 minutes, then remove it from the pot. You can also save the remaining pork fat oil to use it later. At this point, you only have a little bit oil remaining in the pot. Quickly stir fry the rock sugar until it's caramelized, and then add the pork belly and mix them well. Now you can add the dark soy sauce, cinnamon, star anise, green onion, ginger, vinegar, and mix them evenly. Adding the eggs on top, close the lid and turn the heat to low and simmer for 1 hour. Open the lid and stir the pork belly and eggs to cook it evenly. Then close the lid and simmer for a 2nd hour. Remove the spices, add the green onion, and it's ready to eat.
I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never